Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Getting Started with Python Pandas, a comprehensive tutorial with code examples. Introduction. Python Pandas is a powerful and popular open-source data manipulation and analysis library that provides easy-to-use data structures and functions. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing Pandas, and we'll provide code examples to help you get started with data manipulation using this versatile library. Step 1. Download and install Python Pandas. To begin, you need to have Python installed on your system. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Once Python is installed, you can install Pandas using the following command in your terminal or command prompt. This command will download and install the latest version of Pandas along with its dependencies. Step 2. Import Pandas in your Python script or Jupyter notebook. After installing Pandas, you can start using it in your Python scripts or Jupyter notebooks by importing the library. The PD alias is commonly used in the Pandas community for brevity. Step 3. Creating a Pandas data frame. The primary data structure in Pandas is the data frame, a two-dimensional table with labeled axes, rows and columns. You can create a data frame from various data sources such as lists, dictionaries, or external files. Here's an example using a dictionary. This will create a data frame with 3 columns, name, age, city, and 3 rows of data. Step 4. Data manipulation with Pandas. Pandas provides a wide range of functions for data manipulation, including selecting, filtering, grouping, and merging data. Here are a few examples. Step 5. Save and load data with Pandas. Pandas supports various file formats for data input and output. For example, you can save your data frame to a CSV file and later load it back. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've now successfully installed Python Pandas, created a data frame, and performed basic data manipulation. This tutorial is just the beginning, and there's a lot more to explore and learn with Pandas. Check out the official Pandas documentation, https://pandas.pydata.org/pandas-docs/stable/index.html, for in-depth information on the library's capabilities and features. Happy coding! ChatGPT